Rina was a very quiet girl. She studied in a small school in a busy town. Every day, she came to class on time and sat in the same seat near the window. She listened carefully to her lessons, but she did not talk much. She was shy around other students, so she mostly kept to herself. Even though she was quiet, Rina worked very hard. She always completed her homework. She read her books every evening. When the teacher asked questions, Rina knew the answers. But she did not raise her hand because she felt nervous speaking in front of others. Sometimes she wondered, does anyone see my hard work? She thought her teacher might not notice her because she never spoke loudly or asked questions. Days passed, then months. Rina continued to study with the same quiet dedication. She wrote neat notes. She helped classmates silently by lending them pencils or sharing her eraser. Still, she felt invisible. Finally, the last day of school arrived. All the students were excited. They laughed, talked, and exchanged gifts. Rina sat quietly at her desk, thinking no one would talk to her. Then her teacher walked toward her with a small folded note. She smiled warmly and said, "This is for you, Rina." Rina slowly opened the note. Her eyes widened. Inside, in simple handwriting, it said, "I am proud of you. Your hard work speaks louder than words." Rina felt her heart warm. For the first time, she realized that even quiet people are seen. Even silent effort matters. She smiled softly to herself. Someone had noticed. Someone believed in her. And that small note gave her courage for the future.